Tape script 10.2. 1.
Hello.
Hi, Tony, it's Nina. Where are you?
We're on the train. We're going to Birmingham for the weekend.
Oh, great. How's the journey?
Fine. I'm reading the paper and Alice is doing something on her laptop.
2.
Hello.
Fiona, hi. It's Pete. How are you? What are you doing?
Fine, we're at home. I'm just cooking some dinner.
What's Tim doing?
He's watching the football. Can't you hear?
Ah, right.
Tape script 10.3. 1.
What's Tony doing?
He's reading the paper.
2.
What's Alice doing?
She's doing something on her laptop.
3.
Where are Tony and Alice going?
They're going to Birmingham.
4.
What's Fiona cooking?
She's cooking dinner.
5.
What's Tim watching?
He's watching the football.
Tape script 10.4.
Oh, hi, Dad. Are you okay?
Yes, fine. Are you all right? Where are you?
Yeah, great. I'm at Ellie's house. We're sitting in her bedroom.
Ah, okay. And what are you doing at Ellie's house?
We're, working on the internet.
Oh, right. Is this schoolwork?
Yeah, I'm doing my homework.
Who's that shouting?
That's Ellie's sister. We're looking after her.
Really? Okay, well, see you later then. Bye.
I'll be home about 6, Dad. Bye.
Tape script 10.6. Who's who?
Oh dear, I don't know anybody. Who are they all?
Don't worry, they're all very nice. I'll tell you who everybody is. Can you see that man over there?
The man near the window?
Yes, that's Paul. He's talking to Sophie. He's a banker, very rich and very funny. He works in New York.
Wow, so he's Paul, okay. And that's Sophie next to him?
Yes, she's laughing at Paul's jokes. She's lovely. She's a professor at Bristol University. She teaches business studies.
And who's that woman on the left?
That's Helena. She's drinking champagne. She's a writer. She writes stories for children. They're excellent. A very nice lady.
And who's that man she's talking to?
Helena's talking to Roger. Roger's eating crisps. He's an interesting man. He's an art dealer. He works for the British Museum.
Really? Wow, what a job. So that's Paul and Sophie, Helena and Roger. Now, there are 2 more. Who are they?
They're Sam and Penny. They're looking at a photo on Sam's phone.
And what do they do?
They're designers. They make clothes for children.
Okay. So that's everybody. Thanks.
That's all right.
Tape script 10.8. An interview with an astronaut.
Soichi, what exactly is your job?
I'm an aeronautical engineer, and I'm a JAXA astronaut.
What is JAXA?
JAXA is the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency.
What did you study at university?
Well, I studied engineering, of course. Aeronautical engineering.
Where did you study? Which university?
I studied at the University of Tokyo, and I graduated in 1991.
Which part of Japan are you from?
I'm from Yokohama, Kanagawa, which is part of Tokyo.
Are you married?
Yes, and I have 3 children.
What do you like doing when you're on Earth?
Well, I guess my hobbies are jogging and basketball, and I like skiing and camping with my kids.
What are you doing on the space station at the moment?
I'm doing quite a few spacewalks. I'm going out into space, and I'm checking the instruments on the outside of the space station to make sure they're working properly.
You're part of the Russian crew. What does this mean?
It means that my commander is Oleg Kotov from Roscosmos, and I'm working in his team. We're studying weather conditions in space, and we're doing experiments with plants to see how they grow in zero gravity.
What do you do when you aren't working?
Well, I spend a lot of time just looking down at you on Earth. And I think how lucky I am to be here, and I wish that everyone could see the Earth from space. Maybe people would stop fighting if they could see how beautiful our planet is.
Tape script 10.9. Who is it? 1.
She's got dark brown hair, and she's quite pretty. She's wearing boots and a hat and a red scarf, and she's jumping in the air. She looks really happy.
2.
He's got short, dark hair. He's wearing trainers and a purple t-shirt, and he's carrying a ball. He isn't very tall.
3.
She's wearing a scarf, she's pretty, and she's got long blonde hair and blue eyes. She isn't smiling. She doesn't look very friendly.
4.
He doesn't look very happy. Perhaps he's a businessman. He's wearing a white shirt and a striped tie. He's also wearing black glasses.
Tape script 10.10. Social expressions. 1.
Patrick and I are getting married.
Wow, that's fantastic. Congratulations.
Thanks. We're both very excited and a bit nervous.
2.
Can I help you?
No, I'm just looking, thanks.
Just tell me if you need anything.
That's very kind.
3.
Don't forget it's a bank holiday on Monday.
Sorry, what does that mean?
It means it's a national holiday. The garage is closed. Most places are closed.
4.
We're going to the cinema tonight.
Oh, lovely. Well, I hope you enjoy the film.
Thanks. I'll tell you all about it.
Great.
5.
Excuse me. This machine isn't working.
I'm sorry. Let me have a look. Ah, it isn't switched on, that's why.
Oh, great. Thank you very much.
No problem.
6.
Hi, can I speak to Dave, please?
I'm afraid he isn't here at the moment. Can I take a message?
Yes. Could you ask him to phone Kevin?
Sure, I'll do that.
7.
Thanks for the invitation to your party, but I'm afraid I can't come.
What a pity. Never mind.
I'm going away that weekend.
It's okay. Another time.
8.
Bye.
Have a safe journey.
Thanks.
We'll see you in a couple of days. I hope you have a good time.
We'll try.
Unit 10, Exercise 8, Parts 1 to 3.
1. David. I'm a journalist, and I like Twitter because it's the fastest way to spread news and information. It's immediate. I love hearing people responding so immediately to world events. We can discuss the news in real time while it's happening, before it's on TV or in the newspapers. I think Twitter's important because often when a story begins there, it becomes the most important news story of the day.
2. Mary.
I'm a librarian, and I like Twitter because I can tweet about topics which interest me, and I find other people with similar interests. For example, I'm a vegetarian, and I heard the Beatle, Paul McCartney, he's a vegetarian like me, and I heard him talking about his idea for Meat-Free Monday. He wants everybody to stop eating meat just on a Monday, which I think is a great idea. There were so many tweets about it. Most thought it was a good idea, more healthy for people and the planet. But then there were farmers who were really angry about it. Anyway, it was a really good discussion.
3. Ken.
I'm a history teacher, and recently we had a conference for history teachers, and I advertised it on Twitter. I'm sure that's why so many teachers came. But before the conference, I met and discussed things on Twitter with a lot of them. I knew their names, but not what they looked like. Oh, so you're Jane, or Ted, or John. Really nice to meet you at last. It was great to meet other tweeters at the conference and put faces to names. We already knew each other's problems and could continue the discussion face to face. I think it helped a lot, and we still keep in touch. By email, and also on Twitter, of course.
4. Donna.
I'm a marketing director, and Twitter gives me the chance to talk to people from all over the world, both formally and informally. Sometimes I tweet people who are in the same line of business as me, and it's exciting because I'm learning about different countries and cultures. It's great. I'm making friends with strangers, and the conversations are both serious and not too serious. I like to think that one day I'll meet some of the people I chat to. Maybe some will become my friends.
Unit 10, Exercise 11.
1.
Can I help you?
I'm just looking, thanks.
2.
Dave and I are having a baby.
Congratulations! That's great news.
3.
Can I speak to Jenny, please?
Sorry, she's having a shower.
4.
I forgot your birthday. Sorry.
Don't worry, it doesn't matter.
5.
I can't go out tonight. Sorry.
Never mind. Another time.
6.
The printer isn't working.
It's because there isn't any paper in it.
7.
Have a good journey.
Thanks. It was great seeing you.
8.
We're going out to a restaurant.
Have a good meal.
9.
It's Dress Down Friday tomorrow.
What does that mean?
Unit 11. Looking good. Tape script 11.1. Who's at the party?
Oh dear, Monica. I don't know any of these people. Who are they?
Don't worry, Oliver. They're all very nice. Can you see that man over there? He's sitting down. That's Harry. He's a musician. He works in LA.
Sorry, where?
You know, LA. Los Angeles.
Oh, yeah.
And he's talking to Mandy. She's wearing a red dress. She's very nice and very rich. She lives in a beautiful old house in the country.
Oh, rich, eh?
Yes, rich and married. Next to her is Fiona.
Mm-hmm.
She's drinking a glass of red wine. Fiona's my oldest friend. She and I were at school together.
And what does Fiona do?
She's a writer. She writes children's stories. They're not very good, but... Anyway, she's talking to George. He's laughing and smoking a cigar.
Oh, right.
He's a pilot. He travels the world, thousands of miles every week.
And who are those two over there? They're dancing. They know each other very well.
Oh, that's Roz and Sam. They're married. They live in the flat upstairs.
So, that's Harry and Mandy, and, it's no good. I can't remember all those names.